This is a very serious one. Pay attention. This is a very serious one. Now, I want to tell you that among all the things that you can do in poultry farming, if you're still beginning or if you are in your initial stages of poultry farming or goats farming or fish farming, whatever farming that you're doing, never do this single mistake or else you regret it. Most people do it, most people think it's a joke, but at the end of the day, they cry tears, endless tears, because of not listening. So, among the things that you can do as a beginner or without so much experience, never, ever delegate someone to run the errands or to run your farm on your behalf. Never. You'll say, but I will hire a manager, my brother will do it, my mother will do it, my sister is doing it very well. You're lying. It's okay if they are doing it well and good. But for a beginner, someone who has no idea, never delegate someone else to run your farm. Out of experience, let me tell you something. No one in this world, or no employee, or no employer, or no employee will ever feel the pain of the money that you invest in your business. No one, no employee who will ever feel the pain that you invest in your farm, in your business, in whatever you're doing. They are always after salary. Look, for example, you're doing poultry farming and birds are dying, they're sick. Some employees also always run away. Why? Because they cannot withstand the pressure that goes around with seeing investments being perishing and all that. So if you have other businesses that you're doing, you either choose one or you lose both. That's the advice I would give someone who's starting or who's planning to come into poultry farming. Delegating someone else to do the things on your behalf, it is really a very wrong turn, and I wouldn't advise someone to do it. Do it yourself. Learn from the mistakes that you do. Learn from the experience that you're facing on your farm. That's how you'll grow. That's how you learn. And that's how we become better each and every time. If you fear, the more the losses that you always make at your farm. Be there. It may not be 24/7, but make sure that most of your time you spend it well at your farm. It can be a goat's farm, it can be a fish farm, it can be a dairy farm, but make sure that among the employees that you have, you are part of them.